Hello friends! Welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. You can watch my videos in your language. Follow the steps to set your language. Step 1. Click the gear icon. Step 2. Select audio track. Step 3. Select your language. You may contact me for industrial design substation layout power system studies on +9 1700 647 4688. Call or WhatsApp.
This is lecture number 18 of our free course DIALux Evo. In this lecture, we will see how we can put sanitary items in the bathroom, in the washroom, and how we can design a kitchen. These things will be covered in this lecture. First of all, we will design a bathroom. We will install the sanitary items. For that, you have to go to this is the tab, that is, 1 minute I will show. This is the furniture and objects tab. Select it and then click on the select and then go to the more objects. In the more objects, you can go the sanitary, and in the sanitary, first of all, we will take the toilet. Select the toilet and apply, then close it. Now place this toilet in the washroom. Here, right click and select the rotate, and now rotate like that. Then right click again, select move, little bit zoom it and move. We will place it here. Okay, now we will select the bathtub. Again, click on select, go to more objects, sanitary, and tub angular, and one is more tub oval. We will, anyone you want, what is your choice, you can select and apply, then close and move and drop here. Right click and rotate. I think like this, and right click, move. Now move and right click and scale. Now put it into the scale like this. You can scale it. You can scale it like this. Okay. Now we will see in the 3D how it looks. Okay. You can go see here. This is a bath and this is the toilet. Now go back. Now we will place a wash basin here. Again, select more objects, sanitary, and go the wash basin, this one, and apply, close and place it here. Right click, rotate like this, and right click, move. Okay, you can move also a little bit towards this like this. Now we will place a shower also. Right click, more objects, sanitary, and shower, and apply and close and place it here. Zoom it, and I think we have to rotate it. Rotate like this. Right click, move, and like this. can also right click and move again little to center. Okay, now see in the 3D we have here is shower. Okay, shower is also installed. Now if you see in the another view, that is this view and not this, yes, this. Okay, you can see shower is here. If it seems it is too high, you can adjust here like this. You can adjust here, right click and move. You can move it down. Okay, and then go to back. Now our sanitary items are almost done. You can do these things in remaining washrooms also. Now we will move to kitchen area. In kitchen, where we will first of all make here one bench, and then we will install the sanitary, this wash basin and fridge, and then we will also make a dining table here. For that you can go to select and go to more objectives and take a table. First of all we will take a table. Table, where is table, which table we will select, okay, take this table, two leg table, yeah, yes, take this one and apply, close, and then place it here and rotate like this, right click and move, right click and move, place it, first of all place it here. Then we can select the chairs. I will show if you have to make 2-3 chairs at a time, how you can make them. I will select one chair. First of all, let us select this chair and apply, then close, and instead of picking the one object and placing it here, we can select the draw line and we will select here the number of chairs. See, I have kept it 3. You can kept it 3, 4, whatever the number may be. Then select, click on here and draw like this. You can see 3 chairs are at a time has been made. You can change the spacing of these also here by changing the spacing. How you can change the spacing? You can change the spacing also. You can now move these at your own way. Okay, and right click, copy, paste, and then rotate. Okay, right click, move like this. Like this. Now see in 3D. Yes. See, table and chairs are made. Okay. Now we will make a desk here. For that, you can select the draw extrusion body and select this point. Move like this. Move like this. This will be the width. Maybe I will increase and place like this. Place like this and close polygon. Now it is height is no first the height is, now first of all we will see in 3D what is the height. You can see, I think it is height is 3 meters, that 1 meter, height is 1 meter, so I think it is okay. 3 foot it is okay. If you want to little bit increase, you can make 1.5, and now you can see it is, I think it seems a very big counter, very high counter. Okay, you can keep as per your need. Now we will have to take this wash basin, right click, copy, and right click and paste at mouse position, then move, right click, move, and you can keep it like this. Okay, now see again in 3D it has gone inside this. Okay, you can select this one and then go to here. 1 minute, you can select the wash basin. Oh, what is happening? 1 minute, right click, move, and then go to this portion or this. Yeah, no, 1 minute, you can see here. Yeah, one move, no, here. Better is to here. You can move it, up, right click, move, okay, you can give like that and see. Okay, now see in 3D. Now the wash basin has been appeared. You can select. You can also, if you want to decrease this width, 0.1, 0.50, 150, enter. You can go back and select it, then do one thing, right click, move. Okay, that much, keep that much. Okay, now see in 3D. Okay, now it seems okay. Can move it a little bit more upwards like this. Okay, now we will install here one fridge. Instead of fridge, here you can not get the fridge, refrigerator, but you can get the cupboard, and I will use that, and apply, close. I will go to here, I will place it here and place it here. Right click, move is already selected, move. Can right click, move, can place like this. And now see in 3D, this is our fridge refrigerator. Okay, now we have made the kitchen and sanitary, bathroom, almost all the civil and sanitary drawings are completed. Maybe in the next lecture we will go for the lighting design. Thank you.